Hello, this is in my room. So, the last 5 or 6 days I've been drinking, and today I'll show you how to record on das Kassetten recorder. What you need for this? Kassetten recorder, mini jack, 3.5, and cassette like this. Now we talk about re-recording here. So for this we need your playlist, but I use pink noise or white noise, but more time is pink noise. I don't know, I just like it. So we have button and line here. This is China cassette recorder, so you can have another, I don't know, but just watch. So USB, line in, tape off. Here's on off. For play we need tape, but for the recorder from your computer or I don't know, from your phone, you need link in. This line for headphones. Never mind. You need this line in. So you put your mini jack 3.5 in line in. Another put in your computer. Let's watch and I'll show you how to do this. At first we insert the cassette in. Then we put the mini jack into line in. It's important. After that, change from tape on line in. How I told you before, I use pink noise. I don't know why. It's cool. So we just record it. So talk about cassette. I have cassette, but I don't care about this. So we have 16 minutes. You can see it there, or here, this, there. 16. Which means it means it's never mind. We have 30 minutes on each side. Here 30 minutes. Here we have side A and B. So if you wanna record this, you need to understand this big road, I don't know how to, circle, needs to be here. So we put like this, doing this. It means like you put side A, but we have tape on side B. So we push this button, wow, and put it here. So that's all. Maybe you think, but no. Soft tape. Это похуй.
Anxious. Consonant description. This is a voiceless sound.
So, you watching how re-record your tape and told me like I'm your father. Do you understand? No. I can show more, but I don't think you need this. So, subscribe, put like on this video, and tell your family what you love them. Bye bye.